Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to change tile grouting, also known as your gap material. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, come to your customization function and then click on your tiles function. Okay, so in this one, there are two ways in doing it. So the first way is that just drag any tiles on your floor or onto your wall. Alright, so maybe I would like to resize it to 200. Okay, so and then I can replace my material. Okay, so I'll be changing to this one. Okay, so once it's done, you come right at the bottom here, as you can see, tile color. So this is where you change your tile grouting, your gap material. Right, so as you can see, when I change it, the gap material is in green color right now. Alright, so the second way is that if let's say you're using a ceramic library, right? So maybe I'll clear this first. Okay, so if let's say you're using a ceramic tiles, okay, so I'm gonna just paste it here. Alright, and you can actually right click on this and then click on tile gap material. Okay, so this is how you change in your ceramic library. So I'll select a blue color one, and as you can see, the gap material is in blue. Alright guys, this is how you do your tile grouting. Happy trying!